Hi, everyone. Today, I want to offer a valuable pro tip for students and prospective students considering joining our vibrant PACE community. Embarking on higher education can be exciting and overwhelming. And here's the pro tip: lean into our supportive community from day one. At PACE, we've built a culture where every student feels welcomed and empowered to succeed. Our commitment to student preparation starts with personalized support and guidance. From the moment you step foot on campus, our dedicated team of staff are here to help you navigate your academic journey. Whether you're seeking career advice, facing academic challenges, we're here for you every step of the way. But preparation extends beyond the classroom. Now, here's where the pro tip really shines. Take full advantage of hands-on experiences and real-world opportunities, whether it's through an internship, one of our many networking events, our wonderful career services, or industry visitors we have. These experiences are invaluable for preparing you for the workplace and setting you apart from the competition. So, if you're seeking a supportive community where you can grow, learn, and belong, look no further than PACE. Together, we'll prepare you for success and empower you to make a difference in the world.